This is Juanita. She's here at the Carson Animal Care Center. Her ID number is 4579570. She is a female brown short-haired Chihuahua mix. She's about 5 years old, and she came into the shelter as a stray on May 20th, 2013. She is a great companion for someone who just wants a docile dog, a perfect indoor dog and lap dog. Very sweet, mellow energy. She's really excited to be out right now and just to smell everything around her. So, oh, and loves to cuddle. See that? She's just right on my lap. She appears to be fine with dogs of the like size. She's about 11 pounds. She came from Hawthorne. What else do you want to tell us about Juanita, if anything?
Well, right now she's a little hyper because of all the smells and sounds, but when she calms down and she gets in your lap, she just wants to pet
And cuddle.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. So come. Oh. That should be ended. So come get Juanita at the Carson Animal Care Center.